Hello everyone, very good morning. My name is Ekta and you are watching Ekta's Vibe. So in today's video, I'm going to just share random my thoughts like what I am doing right now. So as you can see behind myself that there is a lot of a house, which means I am on my roof and I'm taking a sun bath. So while taking a sun bath, I am also reading this book, Good Vibe, Good Life, just for enhance my fluency in English. And as you all know, how reading is important for improve your fluency in English. So I'm not reading this book just because of enhancing my fluency. I also read book because I love reading, because reading helps me a lot to enhance my vocabulary, and this helped me get to know how the sentence is formed. And there's so many knowledge I also get, and kind of a peace, satisfaction, and a positive mindset I always get after reading books. That's why I prefer many time to read books. Now I'm going to talk something interesting today, you can say, because the first time I am blogging, you can say it is a blog. So I am blogging, I'm taking a sun bath after so long time. The sun is arise today, and I'm feeling so relaxed, so calm. And yeah, what else I can say? Okay, let's talk about this book. Like so far, what are the things I learned from generally talk about how law of attraction, law of vibration work in your actual real life. Whatever the things you think, whatever the thoughts you think, or always what negative thought or positive thought, no matter what kind of a thoughts you are creating in your mind, that are the things impact in your real life. Okay, that book is teaches these things, that if you only focus on positive things, then positive things will come towards you. If you only overthink every time, then only tension, worries, and anxiety will come towards you, because universe is working a give and take relationship. Like the messages or the energy you will send to the universe, according to that universe send those things. Okay, like for example, if you say every single time that I'm feeling depressed, I'm feeling messed up, I'm feeling anxious in my life, I'm feeling confused in my life, the universe is hearing your every single word. Okay, so you are sending negative vibration to the universe, and that's why you get more depressed, more anxious things in your life, which means the things you said, you attract more that things. So why every time you are talking about depression, anxiety, and tension, even the things is not going right in your life, it's okay. Nothing is goes right in anybody life. Okay, but people are living now. So instead of focus on negative thing, why don't you focus on positive things? Like for example, if you are preparing for a particular exam, and always you think that what if I will not clear the exam, what if I fail in exam. Instead of this, why you cannot think about what if I clear the exam, what if I will become this, what if I will achieve my dream. Or you can also say a good affirmation like I am happy, I am satisfied, the god, whatever the life they have given me. Like if you send this kind of a positive affirmation to the universe, even there is nothing good in your life, but you are sending a good vibration, good vibes to the universe. Universe always listen every people, you know. So my suggestion for all of you, think wisely, speak wisely, because your words has a lot of power. Okay, your word has power, so use your power in a positive way instead of negative way. So guys, I'm speaking in English right now. As you can see, from a long time I am making this video. I'm talking in English with you guys. But let me tell you, if I have made any kind of a mistake during making this video, please ignore, because I'm still a learner. I'm still learning this language, and one day I will definitely become a very fluent speaker. So if I am making any kind of a mistake during speaking, then forgive me, because I am learning. Yes. So let's talk about this book. So there is a quote I have found in this book, is that change the way you think, feel, speak, and act, and you begin to change your world. And that's exactly things I have said to you earlier. Yes, the way you speak, the way you think, the way you act is directly impact in your life, and directly impact in your, like someone is looking at me, I think I should hide my face, or I think I should, like, look guys, I don't have any kind of a confidence to making blog in front of a lot of people. I'm just a beginner who want to learn this language, and for learning this language you also need confidence. And that's why today I am on my own roof to start, I'm my own room, and start talking in front of the camera. It is very hard or difficult for me, because this is the first time I'm making a video. Because as I said, there after a so long time the sun has arisen in my city. Basically I'm from Bihar, so generally people, so many people look at me look at me because I'm talking in English. So that's why they are a bit confusing that what she is talking with self or what by watching in front of the camera. So it look weird. They think like I'm doing some kind of a weird things, but this is the reality. If I stop myself just thinking that people are absorbing me, people are looking at me, let me put down my confidence there, then I never think will become a confident speaker. So no matter how many people are looking right now at me, it doesn't matter. The things only matter is I have to be consistent, and this is called a consistency. Actually, it really feels me nervous when people are looking at me. I feel nervous, I feel anxious, like why people are looking at me, what if they find my mistake, or what if I get nervous, I'm not able to speak fluent English. Okay, let this thing go, and let's come back to our topic. Today is not I'm talking about any random particular topic. I'm just talking usually so that I can improve my fluency in English. Okay, let me tell you that my main reason of learning English is earlier I was thinking to let's learn this language for clear my cabin crew interview. But over the time or as the time passed, I got fall in love with this language, and now I want to learn this language because I really want to speak in English. Because in our society, the person who speak fluent English or they understand English, they negotiate with people in English, they called educated people. So I also want to make my self at this level. People can treat me that she speak English, which means she is educated, and she is from modern life as society expect from us. English not only help us to build a community or create a network, but also most important thing is it create a confidence within yourself. Okay, so I believe that increasing confidence is more important. So be consistent, be dedicated towards whatever you are doing right now. So now I'm going to talk about my daily routine, which is usually a very common thing you should know about your daily routine, and you should know how to talk about in your daily routine. So usually I'm not a morning person. There is nothing lie about that. So I'm not a morning person. I usually wake up, and especially in winter, I woke up 10:30. Sorry, 8:30 to 9 o'clock around. Okay. Then after woke up, I directly go to the washroom to freshen up myself, and then I take a glass of warm water because it helped me to for my digestion, and it also helped me to keep my stomach healthy. So that's why I also prefer or recommend you guys please take a hot water in the morning because it's really helpful for your health and also help to reduce your weight. After taking a glass of water, I take a yeah I make a cup of coffee. I genuinely love making coffee by itself because I love my own handed coffee. Then later I take my breakfast around 10 o'clock to 10:30 o'clock. Then I take bath. Then I take some sun bath if the sun arise. It's depend on the season. As it is winter season, so everything runs very slowly, messy, and I also feel a little bit stressed during the winter season because there's nothing to do in my life. Okay, that's why apart from that in the evening I go to the gym. I love going to the gym guys because in gym I get a lot of a confidence and positivity. So I love go to the gym. Even I every single evening I prefer to go to the gym. And yeah, apart from that in the morning I go for my computer classes where I learn advanced Excel, Power BI, and how to use ChatGPT with AI tools, something like that. And then at night I generally take my dinner 8:30 to 9 o'clock. And at night I also practice my English speaking and reading books. As I told you that I love reading books. Reading helps me to increase my fluency, build my confidence, and also help me to stay calm, relaxed, and positive, and gives me a sense of satisfaction. Okay, about 10 o'clock to 10:30 o'clock I make my bed and go to sleep. And while sleeping I also use my phone for watching entertainment content on social media, and while running my phone I fall in sleep, and then I kept my phone aside from my bed and then I slept. So this was my daily routine. I hope you would like it. Now let's talk about something else about the life, what's going on in my life. Okay, let me tell you one thing guys, that since I entered into this new year 2026 January, the opportunity we're about to start is I don't even know how to express that this year is full of positivity, and I don't feel any kind of overthinking is going in my life. Because last month in December I got very depressed. Yes, it is very true. I got very depressed, very anxious all the time. I overthink over a little things. Okay, so that moment I always thought that I will be never overcome from my overthinking. Even I told this problem to my friends and my my brother. They always make me understand that don't think overthink. The things will written to happen, it will happen. You cannot do anything for that things. But I didn't understand that time, because guys, the when you are very anxious, when you are depressed, and when you have a habit of overthinking, no matter how many people are making you understand, giving you motivation, or you listen so many podcasts, listen to Babaji, Sadhuji, or any kind of a monk, nothing going to be impact in your life if you once become or enter into the overthinking habit. Okay, so that was the phase in my life. Last month I have faced so many ups and downs in my life, but since I entered into this new year 2026, I feel so happy, so relaxed, so satisfied, and just because of God. At 1st of the January 2026, I went to the temple and worshipped the God Shiv. Yes, I am a devotee of God Shiv. I love worshiping of God Shiv, because he has given me a lot of things in my life, whatever I have demanded so far, and I believe that the two wishes I have still left in my life, that I want that wish make true in this year. Let things happen or not, but I believe now. I create a sense of a belief in myself that just leave everything to the God, surrender everything to the God, and God will handle in their own way. Because when we come to handle in our own way, it gives us pain, it gives us anxiety, depression, overthinking. So why don't we leave our every worries, every tension to the God? So when this year passed, no, when the last year passed, just back just a couple of back days, this year last year has gone, and I entered into the new year. I feel so positive. I have surrendered everything to the God, and now I feel so relaxed, so calm. I Let me be honest with you guys that nowadays I feel so happy. You know why? Because I feel like now my mind started to thinking that no, whatever will going to happen in your life, you don't have to take any worries. Surrender everything which is disturbing you right now to the God, and God will fix it definitely for you. And I created this belief when I enter in 2026. So I somewhere feel like 2025 was a very difficult year for me, because I have learned so many experience. I have seen the people change. I have lot of ups and down, guys. Lot of ups and down. I don't even say here. So let's forget. Keep that things aside and come to our. Let's come to focus on positivity. Okay. So this year I have make my own gratitude journal. I have write down what are the goals I want to achieve in 2026. Earlier I wasn't believe on these things, but since I entered into 2026, I don't know where these ideas comes into my mind, and I started read those things in my diaries, and I already write that things in my diary. Yeah, and once I wrote down everything about my goal, that what exactly I want to achieve in 2026, I feel a kind of a clarity in my life. Now I am not feeling too much mesh in my life, too much confusion in my life, because I have wrote down everything whatever I want to achieve in 2026, and I believe that at the end of this year I will definitely achieve something big opportunity, catch something big position. Like if I wanna be cabin crew, or I wanna get into the job of any particular corporate sector. But I believe in myself that at the end of this year I will definitely change myself, whether it is about my professional life or my personal life. Okay, so this year has changed me a lot. Overall it is just a beginning. Although this is new era, new year, new positivity, new energy, and the picture is yet remains, guys. See you in the next video.